Hi guys, welcome back to another video of MATH FINA. Actually, today's section is something different section. Today we are going to discuss about profit and loss, and it is coming in aptitude section. And this video is the first video in our aptitude section. So we are all familiar with profit and loss, and we are facing these questions while we write in the competitive exams. So for profit and loss, for an introduction we can say that in the case of a manufacturer or a trader, in his daily life he is incurring some profit or loss. When we will say that a manufacturer or trader is in profit or in loss, that we can analyze through this section. For an introduction, I can say that a manufacturer or a trader is in profit if his selling price is more than the cost price. A manufacturer or a trader incurred a loss if his cost price is more than the selling price. In the case of manufacturer, he is making some product or objects by using some raw material, and he is selling that product in the market. According to the price variation, he will get some profit or loss. In the case of trader, he is buying some product in the market and he is selling that product in another market or in the same market, and he is in loss or in profit according to the price variations. So without any delay, we are moving to the theoretical part of this video. Here we have some definitions. Definitions is nothing but the building blocks of this video. We will be discussing 4 definitions here: cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Cost price is nothing but the price at which an object is purchased. Selling price is the price at which an object is sold. Profit, if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then the seller is said to have incurred a profit. Loss is the opposite of profit. If the cost price is greater than the selling price, then the seller is said to have incurred a loss. So we will analyze some formula here. The first formula is coming. What is gain? Gain we have already discussed. Gain is nothing but profit only. If the selling price is more than the cost price, then we will say that the trader or the manufacturer is in profit. Gain percentage is nothing but the percentage of gain or profit he got from the transaction. The formula is profit divided by cost price into 100. The percentage we will be calculating on the basis of cost price only, because cost price is a fixed amount. The first question is, Tito buys an old machine for Rs 3000 and spend Rs 500 on its repair. If he sells the machine for 4500, his gain and gain percentage. So here we have from the question itself, cost price is equal to the original price of the machine plus the repair amount, that is 3000 plus 500, here 3500. Selling price also given in the formula 4500. So profit is equal to nothing but selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 4500 minus 3500. The answer is 1000. So profit percentage is the profit of the percentage of the profit that we will get on the basis of cost price. That is the percentage divided profit divided by cost price into 100. That is equal to 1000 divided by 3500 into 100. That is equal to 28%. So our next formula is, see, we have already analyzed the profit, but next we are going to do the loss analysis. So loss is nothing but our cost price is more than the selling price. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss percentage is nothing but the percentage of loss we got from the transaction. So that formula is loss divided by cost price into 100. So here we have one question. So 100 eggs are bought at the rate of Rs 500 and sold at the rate of Rs 48 per dozen. The percentage of profit or loss is. Here we have our answer. Cost price of 100 eggs is equal to 500 that we got from the question only. And the cost price of 1 egg is equal to 100 divided by 100, that is equal to 5 rupees. And the selling price of 12 eggs is equal to 48. 1 dozen is equal to 12 only. So 1 dozen eggs is equal to 48. That means 12 eggs is equal to 48 rupees. So selling price of 1 egg is equal to 48 divided by 12, that is equal to 4. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to L nothing but loss divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to 20%. So we have another section here. So previously we have done the loss analysis and the profit analysis on the basis of cost price and selling price. So next we are going to do the selling price and cost price analysis. We will be calculating the selling price and cost price on the basis of profit percentage and loss percentage. Therefore, we have some formulas here. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. If it has loss, then cost price into 100 minus the loss percentage divided by 100. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus the loss percentage if we got loss. So the question is, a man buys a bicycle for Rs 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? So for every questions, we need to analyze what is the points that is given in the question. According to that, we will arrive at our answer. Therefore, cost price here we have in the question 1400. Loss is equal to 15%, and we have the selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus the loss percentage divided by 100. So that we are simply that numbers we are given in the formula. So we will get the answer 1400 into 85 divided by 100. That is the answer is 14 into 85, that is equal to 1190. So next question is, a trader bought a machine for Rs 4000 and sold at a profit of 20%. What is the selling price of the machine? So here we need to find the selling price, and from the question we have cost price and profit percentage. So we have the equation, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. So selling price is equal to 4000 into 100 plus profit percentage, that is 20 divided by 100. So 4000 into 120 divided by 100, 40 into 120. So 4800 is the answer. So our next question is, some objects were sold for 2400 and the traded got profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the objects? So here we have selling price is 2400, profit percentage is 20, and we have equation cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus the profit percentage. This formula we are using because we got the profit from the transaction. So selling price is 2400, profit is 20% that we got from the question itself. So cost price is equal to 2400 into 100 divided by 100 plus the profit percentage, that is nothing but 20, that is 2400 into 100 divided by 120, that is 20 into 100, that is equal to 2000. So we have here the another question. A shopkeeper got loss of 10%. Here from the question itself it is telling that 10% is the loss from the transaction by selling a cycle for 4500. What is the cost price of the cycle? So here we have a selling price is there and the loss percentage is there. We need to find the cost price. We have the formula is here. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus the loss percentage. Here we are using this formula because the seller got loss only. If we have some profit, then we will use the formula cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. So here selling price we have from the question itself 4500. Loss percentage is equal to 10%. Cost price we have 4500 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10%. Therefore 4500 into 100 divided by 90, that is equal to 50 into 100 divided by is equal to 5000 is the answer. I hope you got some information from this video. It is not a complete video. The second part of this video will come soon. So I hope you got enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.